Getting ghosted by your contractor after handing over a certified check but seeing no finish or paperwork is one of the most frustrating home renovation nightmares you can face. So here's the deal. Always keep a paper trail. Save texts, emails, and receipts because they're your proof if things go sideways. When you pay, use methods that can be tracked or reversed, like certified checks or credit cards, so you have some protection. Never pay the full amount up front. Split payments based on milestones to keep the contractor motivated. If you notice any issues like wrong materials or delays, speak up immediately and get it in writing. Don't hesitate to call out subcontractors or main contractors on problems. They need to own their mess. If the contractor ghosts you, try sending a certified letter demanding a response or refund before thinking about legal moves. Lastly, document all extra work you do or pay for after the contractor bails. This could help when sorting out the money later. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make with contractors ghosting is paying too much upfront without clear contracts or milestones. Fix this by always having a detailed contract and staged payments. Another common issue is ignoring early warning signs like wrong materials or missed deadlines. Stop this by communicating immediately and following up in writing. The third problem is not knowing who is responsible for subcontractor errors, which is on the main contractor. So insist they handle any subcontractor screw-ups and don't accept being passed around. BigHomeProjects.com helps by connecting homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who actually finish the job right. For contractors, it's a great way to find real work from people who need reliable service without the drama.